folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools, tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Well, hello, folks. This is what I'm going to show off today. This is a watch repair kit. I think in the Harrison Repairs playlist or Harrison Repair show, I'm on a deal of showing off some repair tools I think people should consider having in their basic home repair kit, especially if you want to fix it yourself and don't want to go out and replace, like what we're doing today, replace a watch every time it dies, and you don't have the money to have someone else replace the battery, or it's hard to find someone else. Then if you look it up on YouTube, or if you have the courage, you can do it yourself. I just did it myself. It really isn't that hard. So, but I do have a video of that on the channel, but I bought a whole kit because the kit wasn't really that expensive, and I only really wanted one tool, but I decided this one had more than what I need. I won't be able to tell you the names of all these. There's probably someone here on YouTube who can, because they're into watch making, and a lot of people will have kits. And this is a whole little kit you can take with you. It's portable. See, I bought it because I'm of the opinion that everybody should have basic tool repair kit, even if you went to Walmart or Target and they sold like these kits. I know Walmart does. I think Target probably does too, where they sell these tool kits that are starter tool kits for basic repairs, like a basic hammer for hammering and nails and hammering and maybe building furniture you bought from Target or Walmart that you had to put together. Sometimes they require a hammer. And they'll show you a simple hammer. Anyway, so that's kind of nice. But here's what it looks like. It's all zipper. Here's that. And then we're back to the company name. I can't say that name, so I'm sorry. Just how it is. I want to call it Bineur or Bineur. Yeah, I can't say it. Anyway, it's probably way easier. There's someone in the comments that's going to be able to say it. But anyway, this is, I want to say tool number 2, because I am on a kick of showing off that it's, especially during these times, it is nice to have toolkits, even in any time, good times, bad times. It's nice to be able to limit your costs somewhere and be able to, if you can fix it yourself, do it yourself. That's would be my motto. Okay, so repair it. And it doesn't have to be fancy repairs. It'd be simple repairs, but it's nice to have tools, some basic tools, which I do have. I have quite a bit more than just basic tools, but I still have the idea of repairing. Okay, so here we go. We're going to open this. This is what you get. Now, usually I don't leave instructions because I have a place to put instructions, but with this toolkit, because of what comes with it, I leave it right in the zipper, and I don't use it all the time, so it's not like in the way or anything. It shows you what to do, like you put the watch. I do like this because I can put the watch and hold it, and you can even fix bands, stuff. So, and you can, yeah. This is your holder. Your holder is over here. Okay, and it's nice. I kind of wanted it because it's nice. You can lay your watch flat, and then you can just pop off the top, and then you can fix it. The reason why I really bought this kit was for this tool. Right here, and technically for this tool. But I could have probably bought them separately. But at the time, I felt like buying this kit it's like buying in bulk. Buying this kit was almost cheaper, and it did come with like some screwdriver stuff that maybe I would need, fine screwdrivers. So you gotta look at the kit. I mean, if I need to find screwdriver, probably could come this kit, even though I do have some fine heads in another kit for electronic stuff. But here you go. Which actually I did do that recently. But and then you know, you have different tools. I don't even know the name. There's going to be those who know the name, and that's good because they're passionate about watch repairs and or passionate about watch more than watch repairs. There's a passion to this, that they're more passionate about actually, you know, repairing watches or fixing them, or building them even, because they do way more than just basic, like putting a battery in there. Okay, so but this toolkit was basically what I felt like needed. There's tweezers, that's awesome. So I could basically open this toolkit, and tweezers I may need. I mean, I have them in other kits. I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. Some tools I don't know, but I know how to use them. So that's important too. And then you have this. You could probably hang it up. You have a strap. You could probably hang it up somewhere. Just leave it on the inside for now. And don't forget, if it comes with instruction books, look through this. Keep it with it. Okay, I do. Here's some more little tools. And little like finger gloves. I do know about those. But everything else I'm not too familiar with. Except for that this holds your watch, and I use this to plop. This pries off the back of the watch. There's a spot, it slides in there. There's a little like pry thing right here, and it just boop pops it open. And you have to find that spot in the watch. And watches, it's not too hard. It depends on the watch, but it's not hard because usually they leave like a little edge where you can pop it open, and then you can go in and replace the battery, which I usually do. I'm good at it, and I do it, and it actually saves my woman, because she'll like a watch and she doesn't want to continue buying watches, which I don't blame her, and I didn't want to, and I started popping it off with a screwdriver and I realized, you know what, it'd be nice to have a kit. So I thought about it, and I worked a little bit at it and bought the toolkit, and I'm very thankful I did it. I think that's one of the most important things, is buying something like this, and it's priceless because it will help you fix stuff. And I think any tools that help you fix and keep your home going is more important than going out and buying McDonald's, or more important than going out and doing things, because you need these things to better your life, maybe, or to live, or maybe it'll help you save money so you can go and eat out or do other things. But that's all I was going to do today. There's really not much to talk about. I could kind of just show you. There's the gloves. I don't even know what this, I think this is, I know, extra watch pieces for something. I mean, there's extra pieces they sent you. And then here's some extra. I don't know how well you can see it. I don't think this camera does really good with close-ups that well, which is fine. It's not a big deal, because those are tiny pieces anyway. So, and then you got stuff like this. I don't even know what that does. I know this is like a screwdriver right here. Here, maybe I'll pull it out. See if I can pull it out. So you can tell it's like a small screwdriver. So. And then someone said, well, what happens if you need more than what's in here? Well, you buy another kit. You know, I have another kit that's just a screwdriver kit that's for, like, it's called basic, it's like electronic kit that comes with like 70s. Mine came with 77 pieces. Some come with a little more because there's something else included with them that will help you, and it comes with all kinds of screwdrivers. So some of these kits aren't. Sometimes I notice that sometimes, like even with watch repair, there is something more than this that is bigger, and it will hold the watch and stuff. And some of those, sometimes you have to buy like two kits. So you buy one kit like this, then you buy another kit, and it has some other tools. And so then you may have like this huge kit deal, but to just do what I do. Now, I'm not saying wouldn't in the future maybe buy another kit that has slightly different tools than this one does, and they kind of all would work together. But I bought it mainly for battery repair. So if I'm just popping it with batteries, this and this tool are enough for me. This extra stuff is nice to have. I'll probably learn more about it as I need to, but at least I have what I need to fix batteries. So I'm pretty proud of it. I've used the kit once at least. I'll have to use the kit maybe again here shortly to replace another battery in a watch. Maybe I'll do another video. But for now, that's it. And I'll leave with some closing thoughts, and I'll see you guys next time. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.